Hello everybody, my name is Davis, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm here for another severe weather forecast. You guys really liked the one that I did yesterday, and yesterday's forecast was for July 6th, so the forecast you will be seeing today is valid for July 7th, 2023. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Right off the bat, the light green area. If you're in the light green area here, you have a chance of seeing some thunderstorms on July 7th. Now, these thunderstorms will not be anything major or severe at all for the most part. Should just be some light storms, potentially some heavy rainfall, but that's about it. Now, if you're in the dark green zone here, you have a marginal risk of severe weather. So over portions of the Midwest, up into the upper Midwest here, kind of into the south a little bit, you have the dark green marginal risk here. That means that you have a marginal risk of seeing either a tornado, some damaging winds, or some large hail. Now, if I had to guess, this shouldn't be too big of a threat. You might see one of those three things happen. I doubt there's really any tornado threat at all in this dark green section here, but we'll go ahead and touch more on that later on in the video. And then we have a slight risk of severe weather on July 7th, 2023 for the boot of Texas, as well as the northern part of Oklahoma, all the way into Kansas, western Missouri, and then we've also got some over here in Colorado. Now, a slight risk of severe weather is up for 11.3 million people tomorrow. That's a lot of people. So if you're under this slight risk of severe weather, this is where the National Weather Service thinks you have the highest chance of seeing severe weather. That could mean flooding, that could mean tornadoes, that could mean wind, that could mean hail, it could mean a lot of different things. But if you're in this yellow area, be sure to watch out for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at our tornado probabilities. We have a big 2% risk of a tornado here at the boot of Texas, the panhandle of Oklahoma, as well as some more of northern Oklahoma. Also western Missouri, northwestern Arkansas here. We've also got southern Kansas, Colorado, as well as New Mexico. So definitely watch out for that. If you're in this green blob here, you have a pretty low chance of seeing a tornado, but it could still happen. Now here's our damaging wind forecast. So this would be winds of 55 miles an hour or higher, which could be very damaging. So in the brown area, you have a 5% chance of seeing that. So over here in Illinois, you got also Missouri, Iowa, southern Oklahoma, New Mexico, Colorado, several other states up north. You have a 5% chance of seeing that. If you're in the yellow area, you have a 15% chance of seeing that. Be sure to look out for that. Again, we've got the southeastern portion of Colorado here, kind of up into the northeastern bit a little bit. And then we also have the southern half of Kansas here, western Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, I can't speak, as well as the panhandle of Oklahoma and the boot of Texas. So watch out for that. Now we have our hail forecast, which looks very similar to the wind forecast, but unfortunately, or I guess you could say fortunately, actually, I don't know why I said unfortunately. Fortunately, if you're in that northern section there, you're not going to be seeing any damaging hail for the most part. So if you're in the Dakotas, you're safe from it. You still have the chance of damaging winds, but other than that, you're safe from it. But every other area is the same as the damaging wind forecast. So if you have a damaging wind risk, you most likely have a damaging hail risk as well. So definitely look out for that. So yeah, that was the weather forecast for today. If I had to guess, I'd say the highest chance of where you're going to be seeing severe weather at on July 7th, 2023 is kind of like I said yesterday. You're going to be most likely in the eastern Colorado and the western Kansas region. So look out for that. This area right here is where I'm guessing the highest risk of severe weather will be, as we do have tornado threat there, wind threat, and a hail threat, so look out for that. But yeah, other than that, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.